Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this tutorial, I will show you a new update for Esign. If you want to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad, this video is the right for you. First of all, open Safari. Then visit this website, scarletinstall.bio.link. You can install Esign on this website. First, you need to download and install the DNS first. Click Allow. Then go to Settings. Profile downloaded. Insert the passcode, then install the DNS. Go back to the website. Then select the Esign installer. You can choose one of the design links on this website, or you can click all the links on this website to install Esign. Then click Install if the Esign link prompted. Wait the installation. If you see Unable to install, you have to select another link of the Esign installer. But if you see Untrusted Developer, it means the Esign link is working on your device. After that, verify Esign by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. Now, you can open Esign app but haven't used Esign right now. You have to import certificate into Esign to install IPA Files on your device. Go back to the website. Then click Download Esign Certificate zip file. After that, open Esign app again. Then click three-dot on right corner. Click Import. Then select the Esign Certificate zip file that you downloaded earlier. Click the file and unzip. Then select the certificate and click Import Cert. Certificate has been imported. Now, you're ready to install IPA Files. Click three dots on the right corner again, then import the IPA files that you want to install. After imported, go to Tab Apps. Then, click Signature. Then install the IPA files. The IPA will automatically installed on your device. Well, Esign is ready to be used to install your IPA files without limits and without a computer. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.